Hi guys, today we're gonna make some project in our garden. So the concept this will be a fairy garden, and here will be what, baby?
Wow.
Why are you following me? Baby, come here. I cannot reach this one. I want this one. Yeah. Cleaning service. So this is we found as well in the backyard. I don't know, it's already very old. Actually, it's dari pagar di sana. Nah, ini kita akan pakai, ini kita cuci. Ini juga bisa jadi sesuatu. Oke. Ya, ini kita cuci dulu. Nanti kita cat. Kita udah keringin ini. We decide not to paint it because we want to have a original color like fence, real fence in this garden for 1 month, but we keep upgrading it every day. So today we're gonna do the project here a fairy garden. I will show you how, and here we will put the old garden trolley. So we already buy. Today we've been shopping for the ornament. We're gonna use this all, and over here a lot of things. And then let's see. We've been collecting the photos. Oh, this is a lot of grass that we cannot throw because di sini nggak bisa dibuang sembarangan. Jadi harus beli tempat yang lebih gede lagi untuk buang ini grass ini. So we're gonna do here some project. Ini bekas dari, nggak tahu ini bekas dari rumah ini. Di sini ada, kita ketemu di belakang sana. Dan itu free, itu udah jadul banget karatan gitu kan. And we already buy some tools here as well. So this is our gardening things in garage. Let's see. Oke, kita akan bawa ini keluar. This is so old. And we're gonna put it here. Alright, let's see how it looks. Now I'm gonna make a bird pool. Ini pot 2, tinggal dibalik. Nanti jadinya kayak gini. Kita akan lem aja untuk secure ya. I just use glue gun.
Wow.
Sebenarnya harus pakai lem duty, heavy duty gitu. Cuma nggak ada ya. We put the new flower here. Look at this cutie. And this is the bird pool. I just put a little bit. It's so cute. Hello. Very nice. So we will clean all of this. Kita cuci dulu sampai bersih. And Goran are making this
Indian marinade,
Indian marinade and
Croatian marinade with a touch of Indonesian spice.
oh yum yum. While I'm making the garden there.